How to book an appointment. To start using the appointment book, click on the Appointments button in the Encore menu. To book an appointment, click the green plus button. Double-click a time slot to schedule an appointment with the selected employee. If you want to book an appointment for a client without linking it to an existing client profile, you can use the Walk-in Client option. This will have you enter their name and phone number. Walk-in clients will not be added to your client list. If you're booking an appointment for a new client that has never been to your business before, you can use the Add New Client button. This will prompt you for the basic client information required to create a new client profile. Click on Show More to add more detailed client information. Also on this screen, you can book a special break to block off an area of the employee's schedule using the Book Special Break button. This will block off an amount of time from being booked in the employee's schedule. For this example, we will book for an existing client. You can click Show Options to filter clients by first name, phone number, or email. Use the search bar at the top to search for a client by name. You can then select the client who is being booked for the appointment. In this area, you will first set the client's service. If you double-clicked into an employee's column to start booking, the employee name will already be filled in here. You can set if the client requested a specific employee under the request field. Any. Client did not make a request. Request. Requested specific provider. Female. Requested female service provider. Male. Requested male service provider. Recommended. Service provider was recommended to the client. Set or modify the date and time here. If you double-clicked into a column's time slot to start booking, the date and time will be auto-filled. If needed, you are able to click Show Optional to view the rest of the appointment booking options that may need to be adjusted. To change the appointment length, edit the length field here. If you have set up appointment resources, you can specify a specific resource to book the service into. If you leave it blank, it will auto-select. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about appointment resources. If you want to adjust how this appointment will be confirmed, you can do so here under Confirm By. This will automatically be set to the client's default confirmation method as set on their profile. If you turn off all of the confirmation types, this client will not be set to receive any reminders about their appointment. If you would like to book a repeating appointment, you can do so here. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about booking repeat appointments. Appointment notes can be entered under the Notes area. These will show when you hover on an appointment or double-click to open the appointment details screen. Click the Book button to book the appointment. If you will be booking more than one service for the client on the same day, click Book and Add to book an additional service. We have now finished booking an appointment. Thanks for watching.